Hi guys, my name is Eva. Welcome to my channel. In today's video I want to talk about the benefits of coconut oil in your hair overnight. Probably most of you have tried coconut oil in your hair, but doing it overnight is a whole other experience, a whole other level of result. Doing it overnight gives the oil enough time to really penetrate the hair shaft, to really condition and moisturize your scalp, your hair. The result is totally different than just like doing coconut oil for 30 minutes before shower. I will start with saying that I naturally have very thick wavy hair that is frizzy and it is really hard to manage. I hated my hair. It's very hard to like blow dry. It was like time consuming and it was never smooth. But a few months ago my hair started falling out, getting thinner, and it was being really tangled, and I noticed that I had split ends, not only like the ends but about like 3-4 inches were being very like destroyed and damaged. I am very gentle with my hair, but I blame this on the keratin treatments that I was doing. Even though they say it's safe for you, it is actually chemical treatment, and over time it really ruins your hair. So I decided it was time for me to really like nourish my hair deeply and just take care of my scalp and promote like healthy growth and bring my hair back to where it was, even though I'm not sure if that's possible. I started doing coconut oil in my hair overnight. It is a very time-consuming beauty treatment, I would say, but the results are great. It's not a rocket science. You just take the coconut oil, warm it up in your fingers and apply it to your hair. I start with my roots because I feel like they're the most important, even though like my ends are super dry. The roots are the source of the new hair growth. So I want to promote like healthy scalp in order to like condition my hair deeply. I start with the roots. I massage it gently, which is very beneficial. It like brings blood to the scalp and this promotes hair growth, and then I apply it on the ends of the hair. Put my hair in a bun, and then I put an old t-shirt over my pillow so I don't ruin my pillowcases. And in the morning I shower. Just one thing is very important is to put on shampoo on dry hair. This way it will be easier for you to wash it out. I will normally shampoo just like once afterwards, but if you need to, go ahead and do it twice. And this is the coconut oil that I was using and that I have been using lately. It is just organic extra virgin coconut oil, and it is not refined, pure natural organic coconut oil that you can also eat. And I do strongly believe that the cleanest products are going to bring you the best results. When I do this, I still wash my hair like twice a week. It doesn't make my hair greasy. Sometimes when you apply oil, your hair gets greasier faster, but no, I have not experienced anything like this. My hair stays like the same as before. I have noticed my hair way healthier and smoother, and when I like do it, I feel like the result right away, which motivates me. I have been trying to do it like at least 2-3 times a month, and I've been doing this for about like 3-4 months. When I wash my hair in the morning, it really looks soft and shiny. It doesn't really like fight the frizz to 100%, but my hair gets a little bit less frizzy. My scalp feels healthier and my hair is growing out really fast. I just cut like about 4 inches 2 or 3 weeks ago, and it's already like long again. Massaging oil in your scalp usually promotes hair growth, but this statement is not scientifically proven. Personally, I feel like my hair is growing out a lot. My hair feels like more moisturized and manageable when I do it. Still, like there are days that I am losing a lot of hair, but I see like new hair that's growing, which is a good sign. What I'm trying to achieve is that this new hair that's growing will come like really strong and healthy. You can see how my hair looks right now. My hair is frizzy and dull, and it is really hard for me to achieve shine. I have tried so many products, and what is sold at the store doesn't work for me. So this, what you see right now, is extreme for me. Hope you guys try this, and I promise you, you will see a difference and you will do so good for your hair. Some things you might not experience right away, like you will see shinier and smoother hair for sure, but like the hair growth and healthier scalp, those you can achieve doing it regularly. Just add this to your beauty routine once a week, like once a month. It will just pay off in the future. If you guys happen to try this, please let me know in the comments below how it worked for you, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I make weekly videos on health, wellness, beauty, and lifestyle. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!